Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone without opening their profile on LinkedIn. Right, so for example, if I want to block this person, I have to just click on the profile icon and then I have to click on the three dots, and now I will able to block this person as clicking on report or block. Right, so this person will automatically get a message or notification here that this person, I viewed his profile. So you have to just turn this off. So just click on your profile icon, go to the settings bar, and here you have to go to the visibility. Now here you can see profile viewing option, so you have to just click on it, and once you click on it, your name and headline. So if you just select private mode, this means that nobody will able to see that you viewed their profile or not. Right, once you have just made your account in a private mode, you have to just go back now. And if I want to block this person, I will just click on three dots, will click on report or block. Now this person will be blocked and he will never come to know that I viewed his profile and blocked him. So this is how I can just block anybody without opening their profile on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video very good. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.